this video, we're going to talk about Microsoft PowerPoint. And this is part of the computer. So before we can start, I would like to introduce myself and my partners, or groupmate that I have in my tail report, and I will introduce them one by one. Hi guys, I'm back. So now I have finished introducing them in the picture, and now we will show our faces as an introduction so you can see us in the video. I know it's beautiful we are in the picture, but in the video that I left you just have a look. Joke! See you next guys. I hope inyong tapusan ng video sa katapusan. Enjoy watching guys.
A few moments later.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Alicia Jean Iconsigna. I'm 15 years old, and my dream is to become a doctor someday. And my motto in life is, if there's no one proud of you, then be proud of yourself. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Robinson Faro. I'm 15 years old, and my dream is Philippines Army. And my motto, stay curious and never stop learning.
Oh my God! Wow!
Everyone, especially to you, sir. My name is Rich James Kenneth Dwayne Ramirez Pesado, 15 years old. My dream is to become a Navy soldier, and my motto is be the reason someone who smiles today.
Okay.
Good afternoon, everyone, and also Sir Alvin. My name is Chantal B. Pangatungan, 15 years old. My dream is to be a firewoman.
Everyone, my name is Mark Ben Aquino. I'm 15 years old, and my dream is Philippine Navy. And my motto is stay strong to be succeed.
Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Jocelyn Imala, 15 years old. I want to be a civil engineering someday.
Hi guys, so today we finished our faces as we introduce ourselves to you, and I hope you enjoy it. We will also start reporting on our work. See you.
Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon, Sir Mark. This is our report, and it's all about Microsoft PowerPoint. Microsoft PowerPoint, virtual presentation software developed by Robert Jackson and Dennis Estate for the American Computer Software Company. So, hindi mapatiyag sa
PowerPoint was designed to facilitate visual demonstration for group presentation and the business environment.
Grabe po ba makabidyo na po ng...
PowerPoint was designed to facilitate visual demonstrations for presentations in business environment.
Movie sound effects and also content which generates a presentation template. This format information is to be communicated. In 2003, the rename of the software.
PowerPoint was deployed for
Now, I'm in the happy.
what has required application as versions as for
Thank you.